Hello and welcome to Computer Tips and Tricks episode 9. And in this episode, I'm going to demo a piece of freeware called Desktoptopia. Desktoptopia is, again, freeware, and it's hard to explain what exactly it does. I guess you could call it a wallpaper manager. Desktoptopia connects the feeds on the Desktoptopia server, and then you can select which feeds you want under categories of images, and all those feeds are populated from images that people have uploaded to Desktoptopia. From there, in the software that runs on your desktop, you can customize intervals at which they change if you want them to change, multiple monitor support. You can even have it update Twitter when your wallpaper changes. It's pretty useful. Handy, more than useful, I guess. So we'll pull up our internet browser, and we're going to navigate to Desktoptopia, just like that, .com. Then you'll see their website, and we don't need the address toolbars anymore. And you'll just see right here, it gives you a brief description, and they say it's a free desktop background manager that automatically loads and displays designer desktops on your monitor. So I was pretty close. It's only for Mac and Windows, and the Windows version is relatively new, and they do say it's in beta. So I'm on Windows, so I'm going to download that. But actually, I've already downloaded this to save time. And then just run the install. It's a fairly straightforward install. Just keep hitting next, and you'll be all set. When you're done, it does load an icon like that onto your desktop. If you double click it, I already have some settings configured, so it launched Desktoptopia, and it's connecting to my wallpaper settings. So if we start up this, we can see the options. You can have it start and log in, but I don't want to do that. But I do like it changing my background at a set interval, and I like 20 minutes, so I enjoy it, and then I can move on. On the feeds page, you can select what categories you want, and you'll see right here it's updating the feeds from their servers. And then you can see all these different categories of images that you can choose to or not like, whatever. Updates, you don't need to worry about that. That's just software updates. It does that automatically. Social is a little bit interesting. If you check off this box, tweet when background changes, and fill in your Twitter username and password, every time your background changes, it'll send an update to Twitter saying what your new background is and where other people could find it. So, all in all, actually, before I do that, getting ahead of myself here, I'm going to show you down here in the Desktoptopia toolbar or taskbar icon. If you hover over it, you'll get the tooltip that shows the title and the author that created it. If you right click on that, you can go next background, and it'll fetch your next background off the servers. It's going slow for some reason. Maybe it's not connecting. Trust me, it works. So anyway, what that does, it'll just go to the next one. It's a little bit weird that it's not working, actually. Alright, so now that the program has completely frozen, I can't demo you anymore. But in there, you can do some pretty basic things. So if you don't like an image, you can ban it from coming up again. You can find the author where you find them. You can skip images, change your preferences, pause at a certain image if you really, really like it. So it's an interesting piece of software, to say the least. I'd recommend downloading it if you're into this kind of thing. Like if you like wallpapers a lot, and it's just sort of nice, actually. Okay, now it's on frozen, so there we go. So I can show you down here. So just right click on this, and then you can go next background. It shows you your previous backgrounds. Then from here, if let's say I don't like this one, I can click reject this image, and if I click yes, it'll never show that again. But I actually like that, so I'm going to leave it there. So again, Desktoptopia, good download. It's not necessary by any stretch of the imagination, and I don't think I'll be using it often.